Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean with me with a little twist. Today is Sunday, and on Sundays my husband is in charge of meals, whether it be breakfast, lunch, or dinner. He's in charge of that, so he takes over my kitchen for 2 days out of the week, sometimes on Fridays, but Fridays are yo-yo around here, so you are on your own when it comes to meal. But usually he'll take charge of that because he just does not like when the children are not on a schedule. And I cook Monday through Thursdays, and I'm responsible for all the meals Monday through Thursdays. On Friday I came up with a system called yo-yo, but my husband likes to take charge of that. And on Saturdays and Sundays he's in charge of meals from start to end, and that's the system that works for us. It gives me an opportunity to take a break. And in our family, everyone is included in the housework. Everyone has chores, everyone has stuff that they need to be doing. So listen, take a listen on this conversation.
If you're complaining about it, do it yourself.
Excuse me? That's not the attitude. Do you understand me? And you need to fix it. That's not the attitude we take with anything. You're in charge of that, and it wasn't done properly, and someone's telling you, you need to fix it, okay? That's not an attitude. You don't like it, you fix it yourself. No. It's your chore. You did it wrong. You need to fix it. You understand me? That kind of mentality will get you messed up in life, Jordan. So back to what I was saying. Everyone in our home has chores, and everyone needs to make sure that their chores are done correctly. And I don't play this I have an attitude because someone else is speaking to me, whether it be my 3-year-old, whether it be my 11-year-old, whether it be my 8-year-old. I don't care who's speaking to you. In our home, we do not disrespect each other. That's just, I'm sorry, that's just the rules in our home. You do not disrespect no one, including the dog, okay? You don't do that, and I don't appreciate back talk and all of that. I don't tolerate stuff like that from anyone. Not even my 3-year-old can talk back. Yes, mommy. Yes, ma'am. Yes, daddy. Yes, sir. That's the only thing that needs to come out of your mouth. No back talking. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so 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 lucky.
So on the weekends, we like to hang out together as a family. We do a lot of stuff as a family. So my living room is always a mess. There's always stuff in the couches. There's always stuff on the floor. But I try my best to make sure that my children are responsible for everything that they do in life, including their own messes. So they have to help clean up. Comment down below if you enlist your children's help in cleaning, or do you solely do it all by yourself? Because I know me personally, I don't like to clean, and I don't like to clean up after anyone. If they're young, yes, but older kids, no. So please talk to me in the comment.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So we have been doing a lot of renovation, which includes a lot of dust. It's like dust everywhere. And every so often, well, every day I have to dust, because it's like, I'm like, where is this dust coming from? But it's just common sense, you know. We've been doing a lot of tearing down of drywalls, and it's just a lot of dust. So I have to wash my pillows and stuff coming up this week. So stay tuned for that video, and do not. She's rude. She's very rude. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone.
So, good morning, guys. I fixed my wall. So, we've done a lot of projects around here since the last time I spoke to you guys, and I'm kind of sorry I went MIA on you guys. So, we did this little wall right here. We took down the knee wall that was there. We took it down, and this project cost us 50 bucks. I did that herringbone pattern over there all by myself. Rob helped with the cutting. He was here to help with the cutting, but I did it all by myself over there. So that's a huge transformation, and I love that wall. That wall is like my baby. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm currently working on right now. Of course, I did my faux pendant light in the kitchen, but that's not even a thing. I just did it because I don't wanna pay to mess up my drywall. Drywall is a pain these days. Because I should know, because I'm doing a project right now that requires to patch drywall. So there was a closet in the front. I don't know if you go back and reference my last video, you will see the closet. Ever since I moved in, I told my husband, let's take the wall down. Let's take the closet down. Well, let's take the walls down to the closet and just make it a big mud room. And when you open the door, it opens up the space, because what we had before was just so small. And he never saw my dream. And of course, you know, I'd never want to go around tearing up my house without his consent and his approval, because it's both of our home. It's both of us house. So, you know, one can't do one thing without the other. Anyways, I'm rambling. But, so, yesterday we finally went ahead and tear up the wall, but we ran into a problem. The design that I had for the space, which I've been designing this space since the day we moved in, the design that I had for the space, I had to rework it because we ran into a bit of a problem, and I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys what the problem is or was that we ran into, and then I'm going to tell you guys what I plan to do after it's all done. So let's turn the camera around. I'm doing the grits right now. So my plan was to take out the closet. Well, we took out this side. Took out all the way down to here. But there's a big ass, excuse my language, there's a big pipe going up, all the way up to upstairs. We could relocate the pipe. You said if I like big pipe. Oh, I didn't clean that table. There's a big pipe running right here. We could relocate it, but I'm just like, I don't want the work right now. It was way too much. And then we have to do the floors. So that's the next big project, is ripping up all the carpet downstairs on the main level, because, you know, all of this is done. All of that space back there is complete. Well, not technically, but it's livable. But all of this needs to come out. But before we do that, we had to tear up this so that we weren't messing around on our new floor. So, yeah, so ripping out this, and I have a big plan for that section. So I just wanted to just show you guys why the dining room won't be in the cleaning space this week, because it's in shambles. So I just need to explain. Anyways, guys, I needed an ending for the video. I'm done for the day. I'm just gonna go hang out with my husband, because, you know, with recording, you have to edit, you have to find music and all that, and it's a lot. So I want to be consistent. I told you guys 10 a.m. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And, you know, if you guys are good, you know, interacting and liking the video and sharing with your friends, I will throw in a vlog every now and then. But for right now, let's just stick with cleaning, because, yeah, my house is dirty and I have to clean it. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to transform this house one space at a time. one trip to Habitat for Humanity at a time, because that's where we go and that's where we get a lot of our stuff from. And then, you know, I put my spin on it. The dining table downstairs that's in the breakfast area, I transformed that bad boy. If you're not following me, go over on Instagram. The Albornoz are growing, all one word. That's where you can find all the craziness that I do to this house. And I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye, guys.